In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a proposal on Freshbooks, a comprehensive invoicing and accounting software designed specifically for small businesses. Whether you're a freelancer or run your own company, knowing how to efficiently create and send proposals is crucial for landing projects and winning clients. Let's dive right in and take a step-by-step approach to guiding you through this process. First, we'll begin by accessing the Freshbooks website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Freshbooks, the streamlined platform that helps you manage your business's financial matters. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Freshbooks account. If you haven't registered yet, take a moment to sign up as you'll need an active account to proceed with proposal creation. Once logged in, locate the Estimates section on the main navigation menu. This area is where you'll have the tools to create, manage, and track your proposals and estimates. It's similar to constructing an estimate, so don't worry if you're familiar with that process. When you're in the Estimates section, direct your attention to the Create New button. It's prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This is your gateway to crafting a detailed proposal that will capture the attention of your prospective clients. From this drop-down menu, you'll have a couple of options. You can either start a fresh proposal by selecting Proposal or choose Create from Recent if you have a template, or Recent Proposal that you'd like to use as a starting point. Selecting Proposal will bring you to the Proposal Creation page, which is where the magic happens. As you work on your proposal, you'll have the ability to customize various elements to suit the needs of your potential client. Crafting a well-structured proposal not only helps you convey your offer clearly, but also demonstrates professionalism and attention to detail. Be sure your proposal accurately represents the scope of the work, timeframes, and pricing, as these elements are crucial in setting the right expectations. Don't forget to proofread the document for accuracy and professionalism. A polished proposal can significantly influence a client's decision. Once you've reviewed everything, FreshBooks allows you to easily send the proposal directly from the platform. Simply click the Send button and you're done. Congratulations, you have now created a professional proposal on FreshBooks. By following these steps, you've taken another step towards streamlining your business processes and landing your next big project. Keep refining your proposals with each opportunity, and you'll continue to improve your chances of success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.